Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create flicker, letters, text, animation in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to click on text and then select add text, and I'm just going to type in flicker text. Okay, oops. Flicker text. Okay, and we can go to the animations menu and we can simply scroll all the way down until we find the flicker animation. You can keep scrolling down, and this is the flicker animation you can apply to your text, and here you can adjust the duration. I'm just going to make it faster. Okay, and then we can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create flicker text animation in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.